Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can chat with the live support team for Alibaba. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in alibaba.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Alibaba website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and click on sign in, and then you can simply proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to live chat with the support team, then click on Help Center from the homepage, and if you're a buyer, then click on For Buyers. You will then be taken into the Alibaba Help Center, from which if you scroll a little bit down, you will see the online service option. Go ahead and click on this, and now this will link you up with the online chat support for Alibaba right away. Once the chat window has opened up, you can proceed forward with the various suggestions that you see on the screen. And if your issue is not listed, you can simply type in your message within the message box. And you can also add an attachment if it helps your case. After entering your query, click on the send button. And now the support team will get in touch with you and they will try to help your case as soon as possible. You can also create a survey form and register a complaint if you wish to do so. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to live chat with the support team on Alibaba. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.